Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer an Instagram account from one phone to another. So first of all, go ahead and open up your own Instagram app. And as you can see right here, you will see the interface of the app. Click on your profile icon on the below right corner. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right. Go ahead to the settings and just scroll a little bit down and hit the log out and just confirm that you want to log out from your Instagram account. All right. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna bring your other phone and just try to go ahead and log in with your account, and you're gonna see something just like this. So you're gonna add your username, email, or mobile number on the other phone, and you're gonna just enter the password. And basically after you've done all that, just log in, and basically that's it, right? In some cases they might ask you for confirmation that that's you who are trying to log in through your email or something like that to your old phone. Just confirm that you are using that another device, and it is you who is trying to log in to your Instagram account from another phone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.